The global IPO pipeline is building up fast. The problem is that equity capital markets remain challenging, and there is no certainty that the IPO window will reopen anytime soon. One of the biggest IPOs of next year is Shein. The fast fashion retailer, which was founded in China, is now based in Singapore and wants to go public in New York. Shein has confidentially filed its prospectus with the US Securities and Exchange Commission and could fetch a valuation of some $90 billion. But the list of IPO candidates is long. Payments firm Stripe and social media platform Reddit are doing their homework. In finance, private credit provider HPS Investment Partners, which was carved out of JP Morgan in 2016, has already submitted a confidential filing to list in New York. And in fashion, luxury Italian sneaker brand Golden Goose and Kim Kardashian underwear line Skims are next in line to go public. But when you look at this year's IPOs, the picture is bleak. New listings have raised just $114 billion so far this year, a 29% decline from the same period in 2022. This means that 2023 is on track to be the worst year for IPOs since the financial crisis. It's a dramatic fall from the nearly $600 billion raised by global IPOs in 2021, a record year for the industry. This year, private equity firms have largely stayed away from floating their portfolio companies, and those who did must have regretted it. German Sandelbaker Birkenstock, which is backed by private equity firm L. Catterton, saw its shares tumble more than 12% on its first day of trading, and it took 7 weeks for the shares to climb back to the IPO price. Geopolitics was a big problem this year, as the conflict between Israel and Gaza in the Middle East caused too much market volatility, preventing buyout shop CVC Capital Partners from going public in November. Next year, political election in the US, the UK and Europe will be a matter of concern for investors. It will be difficult to pull off IPOs in the second half of the year, as the US presidential ballot will take place on November the 5th, and a British general election could happen around the same time of the year. The European Parliament also comes up for renewal in June, and no one wants to price an IPO in conjunction with a sensitive election. For IPO candidates, patience is the hardest part. They need to get ready in case an opportunity arises, but for now, there is no clear sign when and if one will come.